Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here it is in front of us, 2019 Toyota 4Runner, and this one is in the SR5 trim. I really dig this simplicity of the white color, right? And the normal cloth black interior, super cool. It's really nice to the touch. I can see it will be easy to sleep in and out of those seats, which is wonderful. In the same time, it has a nice steering wheel, right? Here are the controls and that standard look of the 19 4Runner. Let's look how much space is on the rear seats. I didn't close it enough. I really like, listen with me, this is like a luxury vehicle. The closing of the doors are light, right? Surprisingly, it's an SUV, but they are light, but they close. Really nice sound. Once again, I love it. This is fantastic. The space, it's a standard in the back, right? These seats. This is totally cool. That's what we know about the 4Runner. Let's continue to the back. Of course, as usually, electric switch. You heard it. And again, just a standard trunk. Everybody is familiar with these, obviously. That SR5 also includes the tow hitch, right? The spare is always here. We know that. There are some extra outlets in the trunk. The backup camera, obviously, it's part of this deal. I will show you that sticker, right? So it's a 19 4Runner, and you can see the equipment and the total out of the door before the taxis and so on is 40. But the reason I'm filming this, I wanted to show you those TRD rims. I think these are super cool and they make looking this truck absolutely awesome. Let me get you another view from the other side. And again, those wheels were a reason for this video. I was like, yes, that looks way better than just a normal rims. I really like it. Well, you can definitely share your comments below the video and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.